New details now in a Dixon County Sheriff's chase that killed 2 people and sent some others to the hospital. It all started over a cigarette butt being thrown out. As Fox 17's Jen French shows us, those involved in this crash are questioning the deputy's decision.
One innocent driver says he doesn't think someone else littering a cigarette should spark a more than 100-mile-per-hour chase.
Being at the wrong place at the wrong time gave Heath Hensley a busted knee, a broken elbow, thumb, and ruptured intestine.
Broke ankle, it's got pins, my heel was crushed.
He spent a week at Vanderbilt Medical Center. His friend is still in the hospital. Hensley only remembers that another driver hit him head-on, triggering a 4-car crash.
I got hit from the front, back, both sides.
A sheriff's report shows 41-year-old Christopher Scott and 38-year-old Cherish Austin were fleeing a Dixon County deputy after Scott threw a cigarette butt out the window. The 2 crashed into Hensley and were killed instantly.
The guy shouldn't have littered to begin with, and he shouldn't have ran, obviously, but there shouldn't have been a high-speed chase that fast on that road over a cigarette butt.
The report suggests the cigarette is all the deputy knew about until the car crashed. Deputies later found a pipe and syringes in the car. The driver had no warrants, but the passenger did. Fox 17 asked Dixon County to explain their pursuit policy, but due to a potential lawsuit, they cannot talk to us yet. So we asked Fraternal Order of Police President Sergeant Danny Hale when it's okay to chase someone.
If this person is wanted for some minor thing, they're going to tell you to discontinue. There's no point in putting anybody at risk.
Sergeant Hale admits every department is different. Accident attorney Rocky McElhaney believes Dixon County could have caught the duo without endangering the public.
The officer had a choice. Do I pursue over a cigarette butt and potentially endanger the public, or do I let this guy go or run the tag later?
Hensley is in pain.
I couldn't get over the fact that the chase started over the cigarette butt.
Mad over a pursuit that initially had nothing to do with him.
Fox 17 asked for dash cam video and 911 calls from this chase, and we are waiting to hear from the county attorney. In the studio, Jen French, Fox 17 News.